from the 13th IP Service World. I'm actually super happy to be here and even more happy that we have over 70 partners with us this year.
So I've been visiting the IP Service World for 13 years now, missed only one event, and I like it because for me it's a place to be for IP in Europe. It's the combination of all these nice chats with people you know since 20 years or people you see for the first time, plus all these inspiring presentations, workshops and roundtable discussions, and I will not miss it also next year.
I think that the IP service world is important for the industry because it's a really nice opportunity to learn about new trends and about new products and services in the industry of intellectual property.
I think IP Service World is one of the biggest conferences where most of the service providers, you can find them all in one place.
I really love always the keynote on Monday evening. It's really one of the highlights here at the IP Service World. It's always, on the one hand, fun, and on the other hand, it's really interesting and gives also really good input.
Well, finally, I am back at IP Service World here in Munich. It's the end of the year and really it's one of the highlights of the whole year for me, because after such a long time of planning and organization, it's so great and it gives me so many ideas for the next year IP Service World.